Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in our last class, we have learned some features of Microsoft Word which helps us to make changes in our document. And what were they? Cut, copy, paste, spacing and shading. So, children, did you practice these at home? Okay, today we can learn how to insert objects into our document, like inserting word art, inserting picture, inserting clip art, and shapes, etc. So, for what we are inserting these objects into our document? Yes, to make it more beautiful. So let's see how can we make our document more beautiful. Okay, so the first one is inserting word art. Children, what is word art? Yes, word art helps us to create special text effects in our document. I will show you so that you can understand more. First, click on the insert tab. That you can see here, this is the insert tab, and when you click on insert tab there will show many groups. So under the text group you can see the word art. So click on word art, and when you click on word art, a window with text written in different decorative styles will pop up, just like this. See, this is what meant by word art. So select any one that you like. So after selecting a text box with that decorative font will appear on the work area, just like this. So in that you can type your text. So when you type your text, it will show in decorative letters, just like this. Okay children. Then the next is how to insert picture. Children, then why we are inserting picture into our document? Yes, to make it more presentable. Isn't it children? So let's see how can we insert the picture into our document. Okay, so here what you have to do is place the cursor where you want the picture to be inserted. So I placed my cursor here. Okay, then after that click on the insert tab. You can see here, that is the insert tab. Click on it. Then from that select picture icon from the illustration group, so that the insert picture dialog box will appear like this. So you can see here the insert picture dialog box. So there will show many pictures, and select the picture that you wish to insert. Okay, from that you can select any picture that you wish to insert. So I selected this one, and after that click on the insert button. You can see here, click on the insert button. So the picture will be pasted at the location where you place the cursor, like this. So is it easy children? Yes. So try to do it. The next feature is creating a drop cap. So what is that drop cap? It is a type of formatting effect through which we can highlight the first character of the paragraph. Okay. You can use this drop cap to highlight the first character of the paragraph. I will show you now. Okay. So to create a drop cap effect, what can we do? So first you have to place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph, just like this. Okay. After that click on insert tab. So insert tab, it will be familiar to you now, isn't it children? Yes. Then after that click on drop cap icon in the text group. Here you can see the drop cap icon, so click on it. Then select the desired drop cap effect. Okay. So it will show many drop cap effect. From that select whatever you like. So I selected this one. Now let's see the change. So here you can see my first character of the paragraph is changed. Yes, it is showing as an enlarged figure, isn't it? Yes. The next feature is inserting clip art. So what is a clip art? Yes, it refers to a graphic or a picture. So let's see how can we insert clip art to our document. So first thing, what you have to do? Yes, place the cursor at the place where you have to insert the clip art. Okay, so then after that click on insert tab. Then when you click on the insert tab, you can see different icons there. So from that click on clip art icon. Click on clip art icon just like this from the illustration group under the insert tab. So when you click on it, it will show inbuilt clip art pictures. That is, the Word program contains many inbuilt clip art pictures that you can see there at the right side of your window. That is, the clip art pane will appear just like this. Then there you can see the search for bots. In that you can type whatever you are wishing to search for. Okay, so I typed computer there and clicked on go. Okay, after typing the keyword that you wish to search for, you have to click on go. Then when you click on go, the related images will show up just like this. From that you can select any clip art that you want to insert it in your document. So I selected this one and see it is inserted just like this. So it is very easy to insert objects into our document. The next feature is inserting shapes. So you can insert shapes into your document and also you can format them according to your preferences by filling it with color, or you can insert text inside that shape. So let's see how can we do these things. So first you have to click on the insert tab and select the shapes option from the illustration group. You can see here it is the shapes option. Then click on any preferred shape from these. You can see here many different shapes. From that you can click on any shape that you want to insert. So after selecting the shape, click and drag the mouse on the working area. For drawing the selected shape, what you have to do? Click and drag the mouse. So you can click and drag the mouse to draw the selected shape. Children, you can also fill the shape with different colors by clicking on the shape fill option that you can see here. This is the shape fill option. When you click on the drop down arrow, you can see many colors. From that you can select any color of your choice, or you can also select no fill option there to keep the shape blank. And you can also add text inside the shape. How? First you right click on the shape. So when you right click on the shape, this menu box will appear. Okay. From that click on add text option. You can see here add text option. Then the blinking cursor will appear inside the shape. And there you can type your text. Okay. So now we have learned how to insert pictures, then shapes, clip arts, word art, and also to create a drop cap. Children, create a document and try to make changes to your document using these features. You will understand it better when you practice it. Okay, children? So we have completed our third chapter, moving ahead in Microsoft Word. So we have learned about different features of Microsoft Word. I am attaching the notes of this chapter along with this class. Write it and learn it well. Okay, children? That's all for today. Let's see in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye. Take care.